Follow for more!
Never thought that I could be someone as much as I need you.
Ang batas ng grupa, bago tumaray, kumain muna para walang sisihan. Seryoso kumain ang bishi namin, oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ang lakas sumubo. Guys, sabi na, bago mag-start pag-inom, kain muna para walang sisihang kinabukasan. Ayan, si Bishi Batan, tingnan mo yan, kakain daw muna siya kasi mapapasuko siya sa laban. At ako naman dyan, guys, ayan, binigyan muna kami ni Bishi ng balot para daw lumakas ang tuhod. Ang problema kinabukasan, ang tuhod ko nanigas. Tingnan mo, guys, yan, go to Bishi. Walang intro. Kailangan ng microphone. Kung sino ang talo,
I was feeling insecure. I was shivering inside. I was shivering inside. I didn't read to hurt. I saw it down. I didn't I didn't want to hurt you. I'm just a choose night. I love you.
Welcome to my vlog!
You are the sunshine in the sky. You are the sparkle in my eyes. Oh, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. Oh, it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could be someone as much as I did you. I love you.
Thank you for watching!